Hello everyone, get ready because we are rolling out some rhythmic revelry. It's time for kitchen syncopation fun as we are cooking it with the Jammin Chefs.
All right, Daisy, you can go ahead and preheat these ovens to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, please. Thank you so much. Hello everybody, welcome, welcome, welcome. We're gonna be cooking up some delicious food here. If you all are hungry and brought your appetite, you're gonna get a yes, chef. That's what I like to hear. All right, let's get this going. Dale, I need this at a 349 Fahrenheit, please. Thank you so much. Clarabelle, we need this at a low simmer. Please, thank you so much. Perfect. All right, go ahead and add a little bit of salt there. Fantastic. How's it looking over here? Oh, that is a low simmer. I need it at a high boil. Perfect. There we go. Absolutely perfect. Yes. There we go. Let's see. Got here how these pots and pans looking. Oh, is that the salt or the sugar? Salt. Perfect. That's exactly what we want. That's looking good over here. All right. Fantastic. Fantastic. All right. Looking good here. Looking good over here, chef. Looking good over here, chef. Looking good over here, chef. All right. Hello, everyone. I am Executive Chef Gordon Zola.
The Big Cheese!
We are the Jammin Chefs, and we are extremely proud to be here today at the Food and Wine Festival to present the cooking demonstration of the 3 unique elements featured in my cuisine. Welcome to Executive Chef Gordon Zola's Rolling Kitchen! As I was saying, my sous chefs here are each experts in their own specialty.
Jammin Chefs!
Ready?
Yes, chef!
Heard.
Yes, chef!
All right, now let me introduce you to my 3 amazing sous chefs. First up, we have the chef who has a wild passion for all things spicy. Chef Hal Abeño. Woo! Excellent taste. Next up, we have the chef who specializes in the smooth rolling simmer, Chef Alfredo. Comfort food at its finest. And last, and certainly not least, we have the chef who brings the texture and the satisfying crunch, Chef Pa-E-Ho. Absolutely stunning. See, these 3 measure up to my high standards. Because here, we don't just celebrate food, we elevate food. Yes, and helping us today with our kitchen preparations are our 2 lovely kitchen assistants, Daisy Duck and Clarabelle Cow. And of course, we have our 2 eager apprentices, Chip and Dip. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. Chip and Dale-licious. And today I will lead this cast iron crew in demonstrating our twist on a classic rat-a-tat-tat-tooey. Now, pay close attention. As executive chef, my years of experience have led me to advice that is sound. This is why I've assembled this talented team to help demonstrate how to create the perfect blend of spice, sauce, and texture with techniques that require precision, stamina, and speed. My crew! congratulations.
Yes, chef.
To my team, seasoned professionals who relish a good joke. Hey, it was good enough in rehearsals. Anyway, back to ratatouille, a signature dish of France. Now, to begin any good recipe, we must all work together as a team. And generally, I run a very strict kitchen. But today, my sous chefs will cook up a storm! Oh yes. Hey, you know what in the kitchen? Okay. Yes, please. Give it up for my fantastic team. Aren't they amazing? I'm gonna let you all in on a little secret. Between us. Everything you hear and everything that you see is 100% uncritically solely because of me. What do you want to know about infinity? Monkey business? I'm gonna see it all in the kitchen. Oh, that was fine. Hello, how's it going? Question for you. What's your favorite food? I'll let you in on a secret. I invented pasta. This is the most delicious recipe I have had. I can bring. This is not what I taught you. This is a recipe for disaster. Oh, I'm not the big cheese, am I? I just stink, don't I? Too much sauce, too much crunch, too much spice, not enough spice. Taste it.
Well?
It's masterful. It's beautiful. Yes. It's magic. See, we all came together to create something even better than the original. This is the moment we've been waiting for. We add up soup, the crushed spice, and turn it into something more. It might not seem like they go together, but there's something that you may not know. It's sprinkling a little bit of magic in the kitchen, and it all becomes sort of a whoa. I don't really know what to call it. I just know that it tastes really good. What about crunchy munchies? Maybe if you tried something that was a bit closer to, I don't know, a spicy surprise. That's the closest one so far, but we're still not quite there yet. Maybe if you tried something that was a little closer to a smooth groove. So close, but still not quite. You know, when you put them all together, it kind of reminds me of a gumbo. That's it, let's go! Jumbo, jumbo, just a little bit of you and I. If you ever really got to try it, I'll never jambalaya. Jumbo, jumbo, come together we can make a new dish. This is sort of like a ratatouille, but it's hard to get into it. It's hardly coming together. Yes! Thank you all so much! And thank you, my crew. See, we may have different rhythms, but when everyone adds what they love to the recipe, it's kitchen sink ovation! Now go enjoy and taste everything because food, like life, is a celebration. Thank you all so much. Hey, our crew, let's wrap it up. Fantastic. Thank you.